Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see what is a publish-subscribe communication model in IoT. So here, this model involves the publishers, brokers and the consumers. And the publishers are nothing but the source of data which will send the data to the topics here, data to the topics and which are managed by the brokers. And these publishers, these are not aware of the consumers because the broker is the intermediate between the publisher and the consumer here. Now the consumers, they will subscribe to the topics which are managed by the broker. So when the broker receives the data from the publisher, then it will send the data to all the subscribed consumers here. So this publish subscribe model, it is one of the most widely used communication patterns in the IoT system, and it is a asynchronous event driven and ideal for the system with many devices. And in this model, the producers and the consumers, these do not communicate directly. Okay, the producers, that is the publisher and the consumer, these will not communicate directly. Instead, a broker will manage all the communication here. So here the components in this model are the publisher, then subscriber, you have broker, consumer and the topic. So this is how the publish subscribe model works. Step 1 is the publisher will send the data to the broker and the publisher publishes the data to a specific topic. Then the subscriber registers the interest and it will subscribe a topic. The third step is the broker will forward the data and broker sends the data to all the subscribers of that topic. So this is how it works. Now here the publisher does not know who the subscribers are and the subscriber does not know who the publisher is. Okay, this one. So the publisher is not knowing who the subscribers are and the subscriber is not knowing who the publisher is. This is called as loose coupling. Okay, and this is a big advantage in the IoT system. One example for this publish subscribe model is the news agency here. Here the subscriber are the people who clicked follow topics, sports or technology or the politics, and the broker is the news app server. So whenever a new article is published, it is pushed only to the relevant subscribers who has subscribed it. Okay, and it is like your YouTube channel. For like a publisher, there will be a YouTuber who will upload the video. Subscriber will be who has subscribed to the channel, and the broker will be the YouTube platform there. And when the YouTuber posts a new video, the YouTube it will send the notification only to the subscribers. So this is one real-time example of publish subscribe model. Another example is the smart home system, where a smoke detector publishes a smoke alert, and the subscribers could be here the fire alarm system, mobile notification system, then a smart home controller, and all the subscribed devices will get an alert instantly. Okay, whenever the smoke detector it publishes a smoke alert, then all the subscribers, so all the subscribed devices or all the subscribers, those will get an message instantly. So this is about the publish subscribe communication model. Thank you.